Hello there. Um, this is my 93 Camry, and I was having problems with the starter. So I went ahead and changed the starter, and there it is right there. So that's the new starter. And so this is the 93 3VZ-FE engine. And the way I changed the starter is I took the filter housing out, and you have to take this the airflow meter out, disconnect the rubber, and then also the bottom part of this. Once you take this off, take the filter element out, there's like another plastic piece underneath it. You take that out, and then the battery, you don't need to take it out, and this guide for the cruise control, you don't take that out either. So but what you got to do is the wiring. Let me see if I can. Yeah, so there's some wiring over here you got to take out. Basically just disconnect. Oh, and then you got to disconnect the negative and the positive, and the wiring harness, you got to disconnect it from the bottom of the battery. And also there's like a metal bracket. Let's see where it is. Yeah, there's a metal bracket that it's that this this cable for the transmission, it's kind of it grabs it like this, and you gotta loosen that too. It's a little metal bracket, and after doing that, you can on the starter there's two bolts on the starter, one on that end and one on this end, and they're 14. So you loosen those two bolts, and then you pull the starter out. And what I've been using is this guy, this wrench here, which I bought from it's called TEKTON, and it's just a 3/8, but it's nice and long, and it's all metal, and I put this rubber hose on the end of it. And you can buy this very reasonably at Home Depot. So that's where I got it. You order it, and then you go and pick it up. And you're going to also need a extension bar like this, and a 14 socket on the end of it. And then you can the starter, you can access the bolt and loosen it. Okay, so since I changed the starter works good. And also on this car, a few years ago, I changed the air conditioning compressor, which is down there. And to change the air conditioning compressor, you got to take this alternator out. So once you take the alternator out, you can access the air conditioning compressor. And also you can't even see the compressor, but it's down there. So once you also to replace your air conditioning compressor, you got to change the drier right here. So that they call that the drier, which is hooked up to the condenser, and that just kind of it dries any moisture which is in your Freon system. It dries it, so you can see it's like a cylinder. So and on this car, this is the high pressure for the air conditioning. The high pressure is there, and for the filling of your air conditioning is down here, right there. There's the intake. That's where you fill it with Freon. This is the low pressure side. And what I did was, since this car is a 93, it came original with R12, so you gotta change the fittings so you can use the 134. It's not no big deal. You can do that. So anyway, and let me show you this gizmo over here. So that's the engine info. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day. Bye.